Okay, this is a deer that I shot. I shot it the evening before. When I shot, the deer jumped and spun around and the arrow went in his hind quarter. I didn't know that at the time. I thought he was broadside. It was hard to watch all that. It was kind of late, but anyway, there was no blood. I couldn't find the arrow. Matter of fact, this whole track there was zero blood. The deer ran 358 yards. I didn't turn my GoPro on until about halfway through. So anyway, I got what I got, but this was a deer I shot, and this is the second time I've ever had to use Zoe on tracking my deer. So anyway, here it is. It's a good deer. What do you think, Zoe? I ain't seen any blood. Is that him? That's him, Zoe. Good girl. Good girl. Boy, I'd have never found him without that dog. Hell, he ran 400 yards. How did I hit him there? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Good girl, Zoe. Hilarious.